Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do I have to carry collision and comprehensive coverage in California? Collision and comprehensive coverage are generally optional in California. An exception is a vehicle that is financed. Lenders will usually require that the purchaser or lessee carry collision coverage during the term of the loan or lease.
Make your mark, take our lead.
10-year-old cars have an average value of $5,067 and cost $1,758 a year to insure before an accident. While the cost of full coverage by itself likely won't be more than what a car is worth, the cost of insurance is more likely to be higher than the value of the car after an accident.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you have no collision coverage, then you will be responsible for paying to repair or replace your car after an accident that you cause. When you're at fault in an accident, your liability insurance will only cover the other driver's expenses, not yours.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.